Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, September 18. Sorry, I've been missing in action for just over a week now. If you follow me on Instagram, I shared some photos of my eldest daughter, Tiana, of her hen's weekend getaway or her bachelorette weekend getaway. And so I've been busy with my youngest daughter, Tanisha, prior to the party, just trying to get everything together. And so I just had a busy couple of weeks. And so I'm back now in my craft room. So looking forward to sharing with you some more wonderful projects. This one I want to share with you is a part of my design team project for Carrie Anne, who is Shabby Art Boutique. And she has some wonderful digitals. I will put down below the link to her Etsy store if you are wanting to purchase her digital collections. They are just simply gorgeous and they are instant downloads. This one here that I'm going to share with you is the February collection, and it is the linen, lace and paper digital kit collection, and these are just so cute, so adorable and whimsical. They've got some cute bunnies, so it is also a perfect Easter theme project for you as we're coming close to the Easter and I've got here some projects that I have created with the new kit, and just to give us some inspiration, I may also do a process video or a tutorial on some of these projects as well. But I want to show you what I've made with the linen, lace and paper collection. So these ones here are the tags. Well, actually what I might show you first, I don't have a lot of them printed out, but I have a few of the collection that I had printed out, just some of them, just so you can have a look. So this one here is one of the background prints, and you can print these in either A4 size or letter size. So this is really cute with the bunny. This is another of the background paper, and I did print some double-sided, some single-sided. This one's double-sided. So some really pretty blue. These are some of the envelopes, like little loaded envelopes on different sizes. And there is also an elements file where you can resize the fussy cut images to the size that you may want for your projects. These are the mini file folders, and there are 4 mini file folders in the collection. There is also a larger size. I mean, look at these beautiful floral prints. Just really pretty. So that's the larger size. And these ones you can also resize them to whatever size you like through the elements file. Some ticket strips. Very cute. Lots of bunnies and roses. And there is a bunch of these gorgeous flowers for you to fussy cut, and they're great for layering for your projects. There's some bunnies in the egg shapes, so that's just really pretty as well. I've already started cutting out some of these ones, so you get some of these in there, different sizes. There's also some cute little bows. There's also a sewing theme, or like a needle sewing theme printables in there, so you get some of these spools. There's also some larger size spools which I cut out. These are the smaller ones. There's also like a button cards for your buttons. There is envelopes as well. There are some envelopes and pockets. So there are a whole bunch of different images and background prints in there. So head over and have a look at the complete kit through her Etsy store. I'll also link Carrie Anne's website, and if you want to become a member, there is also a spot there where you can add your email, so you could become a member and get updates. But going back through to some of my projects here that I made, and these were so fun to make. I made 2 tags. These are using the larger tags that's in the kit, and there are 4 to a page. And with the tags, I made it into little side pockets so you could add some ephemera pieces in there, or you could use this as a floating tag pocket in your journal. Use it as a bookmarker. So I did some layering, fussy cut this gorgeous bunny, just added some trim and some of my fabric pieces, and dressed the top part here with some trim and a tassel and a little pearl. And what I've done here was I just laid another piece and I folded in half and glued this side down to create a side top pocket. And then the other piece that's folded back, I just glue that to the back. I did some stitching as well around the tag just to make it more fun and interesting. So that's the side pocket. This is also in the kit collection. I just made it like into a little flip up note booklet. So you get, I think you get 4 of these on one of the sheets, and I just cut the 2 pieces and then I just fold it over. And because it was on I just printed on one side, I just grabbed the other piece and stuck it to the front to create a cover, which is great for journaling or writing a little note. So this would be perfect to add into a journal as well, to do a little bit of some journaling. So that's a little perfect little side pocket tag. This is another one. This one here I added 2 pockets. So I added a pocket here on the side and dressed up the front with another bunny, added a little pom-pom, made a little paper ruffle, added a little bow. So this here is one of the little side pockets with one of the little tiny bingo cards. So that goes in there. And then at the back is another pocket. And I just use one of my music paper sheets to create the pocket. This is one of the little envelopes. I did resize this envelope size using the Elements file to create little mini envelopes in there, which I think is just really cute. This is another of the little paper, the journaling cards that was in the on one of the sheets that I just also, so it's sort of like this. That was sort of like that on the sheet, and all I've done was just cut it down around it and left the 2 together and just fold them over, and then covered one of the white part with another piece. So that's how I've got that. So I thought that was a cute little way to make a double pocket with one of the tags, and then created a single pocket with the other tag. So that one goes in there. And I thought this was just a great little fun project to make. So I made 2 of those. I also made, I'll show you this one in a second. Also made some of the fun embellishments, which I love making. I love making these flowers, these sort of circle paper layered flowers. I love making these with each of the, every month with her digitals, I make these cute little flowers. And these are great if you have some leftover of the papers from the kit. Just make yourself some of these cute little paper layered flowers just by tearing your paper into a circle shape using a circle template. And I just sort of cut 2 and laid them together and made a little smaller one, scrunched up the paper and then just layer it. Then I added some of these textured sort of papers. These are from Typology. I bought, you can buy a sheet of these, and they available from Typology, a website. And you can use my coupon code as well if you want to get yourself a discount to purchase these textured papers. So I made those, and they're great to also finish off projects. I made a couple of these paper ruffled embellishments as well, and these are the hearts that are in the digitals. You get this size and these little button shape hearts. So I made those, and these are great also to finish off any of your projects. So I made them. And then I also used a file, mini file cards, which was the smaller one. So it's this one here, the one that's 2 to a page. and I just cut out the outline and fold it in half. I'll do a process video and show you how I made these, but these are you've probably seen these around. They're just these double pockets, and I just put them inside the mini file folder to create an ephemera holder, so you could add some ephemeras in here, or all your bits and pieces that you've fussy cut from the collection. You'll have a spot to pop them in. These postcards are from the collection as well, and they come in different sizes, so these are great. And I've just got in here one of the other little mini bingo cards. And in the front here, I did a little bit of embellishing. I added some more of the tinier bingo cards and laid one on top of the other, and then I just glued around the bottom here to create a tuck pocket in the front for the tiny, cutest postcard. And I did all of the distressing with my scissors and just ruffled the edges to give it a tattle look, to give it a more shabby look to the edge. And that was the perfect little spot for this little mini postcard. So it's really cute. And the paper I just used one mini file folder and one piece or one sheet of a background paper. And I did double print both sides of the paper, so I got both sides double printed. And that is all you need to create one of these cute little double pocket ephemera folders. So if you wanted to make one, I'll do a tutorial or process video. So just pick out one of your mini file folders and a background paper, and then I'll do a video and show you how I made one of these. This one here, I made another one, and this one is, I guess it's like a needle, it's like one of those needle mini booklets that you've seen or you may have seen, and you can put all of your little trims, your needles, and just bits and pieces for your sewing. So I decided to make that in here with one of the double pockets and make it into like a needle pocket booklet, I guess. I did some decorating here with a little dangle with a little bobbin charm, and I'll have these in my shop as well. I will have these cute little bobbin dangles in my shop, hopefully in a couple more days. I added some trim. I made one more of those little paper flowers using a book page. This is one of the little pockets that's in the kit, and that managed to fit the cute little postcard perfectly in the front here, the little bunny. So it's just another cute little spot for the journal card or your little mini tags. They've got some little mini tags in the kit, so you can pop them in here as well. So inside the double pocket, I'll show you what I've got in here. I have one of the cute little mini spools, and I just added some trim and some layered little bits and pieces with a antique bronze safety pin. So this is a cute little mini spool for your small trims. This is one of the button cards. I placed some of my beaded pins on some satin ribbon. And this would make a perfect little Happy Mail gift as well for someone that loves to sew. You could make this sort of little kit and place them in here. And then in the next pocket is the larger spool. I just made it the same, so that's the two different sizes. And then I backed it with some more paper in the back. So that's those. I also punched the hole here to add the trim. And then there is also another button card. I think I did resize these to my size. I used the Elements file, and I resized the button cards so they would fit in the pocket. So these are the two. So I made another one and placed some buttons. And this is one of the little mini envelopes that I also resized. And this would be good to add some of your little embellishments in here, or anything you would like to add. So that's a little pocket, a little envelope, or you can add your little note in there if you want to gift it. And then I just placed a little a laced paper clip just to decorate the pocket, and then added one of the word sentiments that's in the kit and backed it on with some tool. So this is just a cute little way to package some of these sewing pieces if you wanted to give something like this to someone that likes to do a bit of sewing. So so that is how it looks like. So I just want to share with you my design team project. So hope you enjoyed this fun little share. I'm in the middle of also just finishing off my journal that I made where there is no sew binding. So I've just got a little bit more to do, and then I'm going to do a flip through and share with you this cute little mini journal that I've made using pretty much most of the images from the kit as well. So I can't wait to share with you what I made once it's all finished. And so yes, this is just a fun project share for you. I had so much fun making these. I hope you enjoyed my project share, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.